Unlock lightning-fast web design in Webflow using the powerful Relume Library. First, head over to the Relume website and explore their extensive collection of pre-built components and templates. You can easily search and filter for specific elements like heroes, navigation bars, or even entire page layouts. Once you find a component that fits your design, simply select it, and with a single click, it's copied to your clipboard. Now switch over to your Webflow project, choose the section where you want to add the component, and simply paste it in. You'll see the component instantly appear, fully responsive and with a clean, well-structured class system ready for customization. From here, you can customize every aspect of the component using Webflow's native styling tools. Change text, swap images, adjust colors, and fine-tune spacing to match your brand. Relume provides the foundation, and Webflow gives you the power to transform it into something uniquely yours, significantly accelerating your design workflow. By leveraging the Relume library, you can build complex pages in a fraction of the time, focusing on creative details rather than repetitive structural work. This streamlines your process, allowing you to deliver stunning, high-quality websites faster than ever before.